Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. I post 4 beauty related videos a week. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, please subscribe down below. Right now we are going to be opening and unboxing this little bad boy. This is the Profusion Lip Vault. So you get 5 lipsticks, 5 glosses in here for £14. So 10 items for £14 is really impressive. I got this from Boots. It's on 3 for 2, so I bought 2 big XX palettes, which I shall be reviewing very soon. So it actually opens from the top, and I've made a right mess of things. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So obviously the lipsticks look like a lip bullet, and then you've got these big glosses. And these are all nude colours, so I'm really happy with that, because nudes are my absolute favourite. Especially a darker nude. I love a darker nude. So we're going to start off with the gloss in Isabella, which is just a pale pink shade. They've got like a vanilla-y scent to them. So that is a lip gloss. The next one is a lipstick in the shade Chili Pepper. Now they are rounded and a bit slanted to the side, so you're probably going to have to use a lip liner to get them precise. Oh, those two together would look really nice, because that's like more of a brown with like a pink topper. I wonder how much product is in here. Oh, a decent amount of product, bearing in mind you're paying £14 for 10 items. Then we've got the shade Charlotte. Now the packaging does not feel cheap. They look like the Milani liquid lipsticks, but they don't feel as luxurious as the Milani packaging. But that one's more of a brown tone, so probably matches the middle lipstick shade the best. Ooh. Then we've got the shade Redwood. Looks like a pinkier toned lipstick, and it is. That's a really nice autumnal pink shade. This is the gloss in Mia. Oh, and that's like a darker nude colour. Well, like maybe I should put this one on. A very thin formula, which I like in a gloss. I like to be able to like build it up. Okay, I've got so many lip products on today because I've done a lip swatching video before. Then we've got the lipstick in the shade Brick, which looks like a more nudier shade. Just going to put this one here. It's right there. It is like a bricky colour, like not like a proper red, but like it's just a brick shade, but a very pale version. Oh, I think we're getting some shimmer, and this one's called Amelie. It looks like there's a little bit of sparkle to this one. You can see it in the tube, but you can't see it when you swatch it. It's like a darker pink. Ooh, then we've got the lipstick in Hibiscus, which of course is going to be a pale kind of corally shade. Yep, it's like a pale peach, not coral, peach. Reminds me of like Peach Stock by MAC. Now we've got the shade Hazley, or Housley, however you want to say it. Hazley, I think. Just a darker nude pink. Lastly, Rosewood. I love when a shade is called Rosewood, because you know I'm gonna love it. Yes, perfect rose shade. So here are all the shades swatched. Now, do you need all 10 of these colours in your collection? Probably not. But if you're a collector of lip products like I am, then you're probably going to appreciate every single one of these. So this is what all of them look like, a bit more up close. Now I can really appreciate the packaging, I can appreciate the colours, I can appreciate the price. The price is amazing, £14 for 10 lip products. You know what, I'm happy that there's not a matte lipstick, matte formula in here whatsoever. You've got nice creamy lipsticks, and then you've got nice lip glosses that are very thin, which I can really enjoy and use. I could probably use these a lot. Like, you can mix a ton of these together, and if you want me to do a lip swatching video, just let me know, because I'm probably going to do it anyway. You know what, the lipsticks actually say they're matte. They're really not matte whatsoever. Like, they're all creamy formulas on my hands. Maybe when I swatch them on my lips they might be matte, but I highly doubt it. I think these are all creamy formulas and I'm so impressed with this. I cannot wait to start using these. These will be good for your day-to-day work. And again, Boots are doing these 3 for 2, so if you wanted you could pick these up as a gift set for a couple of people, £14, or you could pick it up just for yourself. That's what I did. I think I know someone who's going to pick this up, and one person's going to have the lipsticks and one's going to have the lip glosses, but I can't remember. I think it's Jodie and Carly. And Carly's one of those that always sends me makeup, and so does Jodie. I buy a lot of makeup off Jodie. So yeah, you could even do that with a friend. Split the cost, £7. One of you pay for the lip glosses, one of you pay for the lipsticks, or choose which colours you guys like best. There's so many ways you can use this gift set. It does say it's cruelty free and not tested on animals, however it don't say it's vegan. So for some of you out there that will only use vegan products, this is not for you. I love this and highly recommend it. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!